Ever wondered why your ping stays high even with fast internet? Hidden Windows settings might be quietly slowing you down without warning. In this video, I'll reveal the best network tweaks to fix slow internet, lower your ping, and boost online gaming performance. Simple changes, big results. Let's get into it and unlock the connection you actually paid for.
Frustrated with lag and high ping while you play games? So guys, you need GearUp Booster. This is the ultimate tool to lower your ping, boost stability, and give you zero lag. Pro players like Asian Jeff and Polarized use it to stay ahead, so why not you? Download GearUp Booster now from the link in the description and dominate every match. To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS.
Start by right-clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once it opens, click the Performance tab on the left sidebar, then scroll down and select Open Resource Monitor at the bottom. This will launch a more advanced tool that gives you a detailed look at how your system is using the network in real time. This step is all about spotting and shutting down background applications and services that silently eat up your internet bandwidth. These hidden bandwidth consumers can drastically slow down your connection and cause higher ping, packet loss, or lag spikes during online gaming. Inside Resource Monitor, head over to the Network tab. Here you'll get a live overview of all active applications and processes that are sending or receiving data. Pay close attention to the network activity and TCP connection sections, as these display real-time bandwidth usage and latency metrics for every running program. Look for apps that are using data in the background but don't serve a crucial purpose, such as automatic updaters, syncing tools like OneDrive or Dropbox, torrent clients, or even some idle launchers. These apps can silently run updates or send telemetry data, which negatively impacts your online game connection. If you spot any such unnecessary programs, right-click them and choose End Process. For apps that spawn multiple background services, it's better to select End Process Tree to close all related components fully. To take your network performance to the next level and aim for the lowest possible ping in Fortnite or any competitive online game, start by downloading my Network Optimization Pack, a complete toolkit designed to minimize latency and maximize connection responsiveness. You can find the download link on my website, which is linked in the video description below. Once the pack is downloaded, open the Network Registry Optimization folder and begin applying each tweak. These are safe, pre-configured registry files that target Windows networking behavior. Simply double-click on each .reg file and confirm the prompt to add the changes to your registry. These tweaks are specifically designed to reduce background data congestion, streamline packet handling, and prioritize real-time communication, resulting in lower ping and smoother online gameplay. After finishing the registry tweaks, it's time to fine-tune your network stack using TCP Optimizer, which is included in the pack. Right-click the TCP Optimizer executable and select Run as Administrator to give it full system access. Inside the interface, choose your active network adapter from the drop-down menu, then move the connection speed slider to match your internet plan, e.g. 100 plus Mbps or higher, depending on your service. Next, switch to custom mode to unlock full manual control of the settings. Begin by disabling TCP auto-tuning and scaling heuristics. These features can cause unpredictable behavior and increase latency in real-time applications like gaming. Then, change the congestion control provider from Cubic to CTCP, which is optimized for interactive and low-latency connections. Turn off RSS, receive side scaling, and RSC, receive segment coalescing, to reduce the overhead caused by background network processing. Also, set the TTL, time to live value to 64, which is ideal for consistency across most internet routing paths. Further into the settings, make sure to disable features like checksum offloading, chimney offload, and large send offload, LSO. While they sound helpful, these offload techniques can introduce delay or cause packet loss in fast-paced multiplayer environments. Scroll down to the advanced settings section and adjust the max connections per server to 10, which helps prevent slowdowns caused by too many simultaneous requests. Set the max SYN retransmissions to 2 to reduce connection handshake delays. Then disable the network throttling index and set system responsiveness to gaming mode, ensuring that Windows prioritizes game traffic over background services. Once all the recommended settings have been applied, click Apply Changes and restart your PC if prompted. This complete set of tweaks, combining both registry and TCP optimization, will drastically reduce latency, stabilize your internet connection, and help you get much closer to achieving zero ping in Fortnite, especially when paired with a reliable, low-jitter ISP. Next, go to the Windows search bar, type Notifications, and select Notification and Action Settings from the results. This menu shows a list of options controlling how apps deliver alerts and updates in the background. If you don't rely on these pop-ups for urgent messages, it's a good idea to turn them all off. Simply uncheck every toggle to disable background notifications completely. Turning off notifications isn't just about avoiding distractions, it's a practical way to reduce background internet activity. Many apps silently check for updates or deliver push notifications, which may seem minor, but these constant background tasks can trigger unnecessary pings to servers. Over time, this contributes to increased network load and subtle latency spikes that affect real-time games like Fortnite, especially if you're playing on a limited or unstable connection. Personally, I always keep system notifications turned off, and there are 3 solid reasons why. First, it prevents needless background communication, allowing more bandwidth and priority for your game's network traffic. Second, it eliminates the annoying pop-ups that break immersion or appear right when you're clutching around. And finally, it improves overall system responsiveness by stopping unnecessary processes from pulling CPU and network focus in the background. Now open the Windows search bar, type Background Apps, and click on Background App Settings from the results. On most systems, this feature is turned on by default, meaning a wide range of built-in apps and services continue running silently in the background. These apps may not show up in Task Manager or on your taskbar, but they're still consuming system memory and, more importantly, your network bandwidth. Unlike essential Windows services, which are required for stable system operation, these background apps are rarely useful while gaming. Many of them stay connected to online servers, syncing data, checking for updates, or running telemetry tasks, activities that quietly drain internet bandwidth and can cause latency spikes, especially in fast-paced online games like Fortnite. Even a few kilobytes of background data can make a noticeable difference when you're aiming for ultra-low ping and zero packet loss. To stop this, simply toggle off the switch that allows apps to run in the background. This will instantly disable background activity for all non-critical apps and prevent them from consuming network or CPU resources without your knowledge. You can also scroll down and disable individual apps selectively if there are a few you still want running, but for the best gaming performance, it's better to turn everything off. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, then type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. This will launch the local group policy editor, which allows you to tweak advanced Windows settings. Once inside, navigate through the following path: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Network, QoS Packet Scheduler. In this step, we're going to unlock additional bandwidth that Windows normally reserves for background system tasks. Look for the setting called Limit Reservable Bandwidth in the right-hand pane and double-click it to open its properties. Once the new window appears, select Enabled and then change the bandwidth limit, % from the default value to 10%. Click Apply, then OK, and close the Group Policy Editor. By default, Windows reserves up to 20% of your internet bandwidth for internal services like Windows Update, telemetry, and system syncs. This means that even if you have a high-speed connection, only 80% of it is available for games, downloads, or streaming. By lowering the reserved limit to just 10%, you're unlocking up to 90% of your full bandwidth for personal use, ensuring that games like Fortnite have more room to operate smoothly. This adjustment is especially important for players on slower or shared connections, where every bit of bandwidth counts. It can help prevent unexpected ping spikes, reduce jitter, and improve overall connection stability during gameplay. After applying the setting, restart your PC so the change takes full effect. And that's a wrap. With these expert network tweaks, you'll get lower ping, faster speeds, and smoother gameplay. If this helped, hit that like button and drop a comment sharing your results.